Hi everyone, Chris here from My Old House Fix, and if you've been following our radiator story, you know that we took this radiator out, we had it sandblasted, we had it freshly painted, we put new shutoffs on it, we put new plates at the floor, all nice and decorative, and we're getting ready to paint the pipes, and it's a little bit drippy. We found there was a pinhole in the side, and about 2 hours after we hooked it up, it started leaking. Yay. So we have a nice little catch tray here. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to fix this small little pinhole. It's actually rusting back closed a little bit, but what we're going to do is we're going to sand it lightly, and then we're going to use this marine epoxy that you can use in wet applications. It's good to 300 degrees, and we're pretty good on this system because it's only about, I don't know, 12 to 15 psi, and it only heats to about 180 degrees. So let's sand it and get ready to apply some epoxy. Okay, now we've scuffed around the hole and we've sliced off a little piece of the epoxy. We're going to knead this together per the instructions, mix it together real well, and then apply it to the pinhole. Okay, now we're going to dry it off and work a little putty into the hole. We're just going to rub it, pack it in there tight. I hope we can get enough in there so it stops bubbling. Okay, it's starting to set up here, so want to do our finish work. I'm just wiping it lightly with a rag. Smooth it out. Gonna blend the edges around. And there we go. So far so good, so we'll let this sit up and hopefully it stops leaking, and if not, it'll probably finish rusting itself back together. And let's see what happens. Alright, we'll give you an update. This is Chris here from My Old House Fix, and we did a little My Old House radiator fix tonight. See you guys.